Hi, I'm Matthew. You might know me from works such as The Box and Texas Crime Watch. I'm here to talk to you about ravioli. It's just spaghetti in a dumb shape. Don't buy it. It's a scam. This has been A Word with Matthew. Hi, I'm Professor Nature with Nature. Do you know that nature's it's dying? It's dying. Nature is. It's your fault. It's your fault. You're killing the trees. You're killing the tree. Nature. Did you know that nature's a prime source of nature grass? It's a great source of vitamin nature. And that's why mowing your grass is sexist, okay? So make sure you get... Do you see that? Look at that. That's a wild... Let's go! Let's go! Sir! What? Sir. So we have a person here. Are you available for an interview?
What the fuck?
So do you like grass?
Answer the question.
No.
So how long have you been a hater of grass?
Whoa! I mean,
Let's get him. Let's go.
Oh!
Now that we've dealt with that Nazi, let's go to our next segment. Let's go. Camera. Now we're talking about trees. Now there are two types of trees. Normal trees and trees that are actually signposts that look like trees. Come on. Now a tree I failed to mention is the albino tree. You see, what is it? Dude, they killed a tree! They killed a tree! This is a dead tree! This is dead! Come on! It's dead! It's dead! We go. Now we will discuss the big problem. Hi, didn't see you there. Now this is a man-made sign. It's to help you travel in nature. But since it's not nature, it is the spawn of the devil, and it should be burned. Come on. Look at this! Look at nature! This is not nature! Rain. Rain is actually nature's Gatorade. I can run a mile. This is a pine cone, okay? Pine cones are actually nature's gumbo. So it's you see that? Look at that. What the hell? Come on! What it? Whoa! What are you doing? Help! Help me! He took the nature! This is rain!
So what'd you do with that guy?
He's dead. Now let's get going. Now see that over there? That's a cow. They're
That's not. That's a.
They gone rogue.
Wait, Professor, what have you done to him?
Run!
That was that guy from earlier. Did you cut his brain?
Oh!
Oh no!
Well, we took care of the cow situation.
Dude, that was that guy from earlier.
It was a cow.
No.
It was a...
What'd you do to him? What'd you do? Oh my god!
Is it filming? Alright, so we took care of them guys. Dead over there. So thanks for watching. This has been Matthew Reviews Nature. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. You know, pretty... He's alive! No! Oh! Oh, I don't know. I'm scared.